everyone, and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can make an incoming webhook in Slack. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, go to slack.com and make an account. So, click Get Started. And then you're going to log in an existing account that you have, or if you do not have, you can choose one of these options, either using your Google or your Apple account. Once you're done making an account and you're in the dashboard, on another tab, you're going to search for api.slack.com/apps. And then click on Create an App. Then you're given two options. Choose from scratch. And then you can put in your app name. And you can pick a workspace to develop your app in. Then, click on Create App. On the next window, we're going to go to the left panel and click on Incoming Webhooks. And then, we're going to activate this right here. After that, we're going to scroll down and add a new webhook. Then, as you can see, it is going to request permission to access the workspace Slack workspace. So, we're going to choose a channel, and this is the existing channel on your workspace in Slack. So I'm going to click on Social, and then click on Allow. After that, go back to your workspace in Slack, and go to Social, the one that I used. And as you can see, it is already integrated to this channel. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!